Alright guys, welcome to another trading video. Today we took a L. Today's Thursday, and yeah, we took a L on S&P 500 today. I lost about, I traded on my 20k challenge account and on my 25k, which is passed of course, and I lost 1.5% today. So 3k and basically something around $350. Yeah, why did I take this trade in the first place? So we had this beautiful 4 hour on Nasdaq right here that we tapped into, and we got a good break of structure in the open. As you can see, this is the break of structure straight up in the minute the market opened. We got that one. So this would be the original entry, but it was way too high, so I was kind of waiting for a retracement, and we had better entry opportunities on ES with this retracement right here, because we made this 5 minute here. And after 5 minutes, we got a 1 minute break of structure to the upside here, this one, or this one. I mean, probably this one, but I didn't really recognize it as or this one, and I was kind of waiting for a retracement down. No, actually, I saw this one, but I want to have a little bit more confluence, because the hourly was going to close, and I did not want the hourly close below this one. That's why I waited, and it didn't, so I took this trade on ES, because we haven't had a break. We also had the 5 minute retracement here right here, but we haven't got a good 1 minute break for my entry, even though we took out these highs. But as you can see, there is no 1 minute break. This is the first 1 minute break right here, and the trade would look like this. So I definitely not take that, right? So I took this on ES, and yeah, it turns out to be a losing trade. It happens. I kind of think it was a little bit of course, my strategy. So it's just an edge. It didn't play out well, but also the price was kind of choppy, as you can see, right? We had like a lot of continuation. Now that trade, I can delete it. We had a lot of continuation the whole day, right? On the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, we haven't had a clear bias. The 4 hour was kind of bullish. Because we had this gap, we got a retracement, and the kind of like on NQ at least, it is pretty bullish, right? The 4 hour, you would say to take out this high, then fine. But the 1 hour is like fucked. Um, yeah, so it was kind of choppy. So maybe I should have waited a little bit longer because I had it set up on gold but I saw gold that it never gonna get hit because gold just boomed down, and there's no way of retracement. USD is just bad. I mean, this would be a trade right now, to be honest. Yeah, like this would be a great trade that I might have took. So I think it's kind of my own mistake, because I entered pretty quickly, even though the bias was not that clear. We had a lot of continuation the whole London session, nothing, no big moves, and yeah, then suddenly we got a big move up. So it's pretty bullish actually. I thought, okay, we broke the high, now we can continue to take out London highs and Asia highs, but we didn't. So it's a big loss, 1.5%. And yeah, I'm down 6k on this week. I'm down 3% on this week. I think you can see it right here. Yeah, these are the two accounts right now, and they suck, as you can see, right? I was trading today. So we had this account, and we had this account. They're like, I mean, this is even worse. This is like minus 4% down, but I can easily make it back. I mean, 4%, what is that, bro? Just one and a half trades. That's it. So it's not that deep. I can still trade on the 50k pass. I can't. It's gonna take a week. I think next week I should be ready. Like the whole alpha futures and alpha trader type of thing, they something changed with the platform I trade on. So this kind of sucks, but I can't do anything. And I mean, kind of good because it would taken a loss today on that account. So actually not that bad that I can't trade today. But yeah, it was probably my own mistake a little bit because it was pretty unclear. I mean, I was kind of expecting the 4 hour to break. Or at least we are 4 hour bullish, but the 1 hour kind of scuffed, and we had the 4 hour on the NQ. Only, I think I would still take the setup. I'm gonna be honest though. If I have a 4 hour gap and it's bullish, the 4 hours bullish, but the 1 hour is bearish, I don't give a good fuck about the 1 hour, you know? Of course, a good indicator, but at the same time, the 1 hour is like not that important if I have a 4 hour gap, the trend, because a lot of times when you have like a 4 hour, let me show an example. Like here, you have this 4 hour. I mean, got disrespected, probably not the best example. um, but yeah, like this, you have this 4 hour, right? And probably 1 hour to the, yeah. And you had this 1 hour, like the 1 hour is bullish here, right? It's bullish momentum. So when you enter the market here and see, okay, New York begins, 1 hour is bullish, but 4 hours bearish still, and we have this 4 hour gap, I would tend to take a short on it, even though the 4 hour broke structure here. But I think you get what I'm trying to say, right? So this was pretty much a trade, but I took it on ES, and NQ was definitely the leading index today. That's why we take out this high and nearly hit full TP. But yeah, I would have go break even if I took the trade on NQ with the 1 minute break. I would have been break even, but I didn't get the break, so I didn't take the trade on NQ, and I took the trade on ES, and it just fucked me. So that's a trade today. Could have been way better, but could have been also way worse, I guess. But yeah, tomorrow's a new day, and I'm looking forward to get some profits on the accounts. I mean, this is fine. There's like no PPI, CPI, or whatever BI. We have like unemployment and like the non-farm type thing pretty much every Friday, so this should be fine, especially when it's like 2:30 p.m. That's fine when London opens at 3:30 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this video, and hopefully we're gonna take a big W tomorrow. You will see this video, and yeah, hope you have a great afternoon today. See you then.